amazing. Look, my hair's too tight. Wrinkling and making it feel strange. It's not that hot. Feels good.
All right.
Wish we could go fishing from here.
We have photography, huh?
I forgot to thaw a jacket.
All right, here we go. Chant.
Like you do. There's so many trees around here. Oh, that's so pretty. Hey, it's
Isn't it?
Good thing that there are trees. Yeah.
Mine has like dirt on it.
So does mine.
He didn't like it.
No, mine.
We're camping.
Dad, mine touched the stick. You cleaned up.
Yummy goodness. And I've lost the girls. We're camping, and I don't know where they're at, and I'm kind of freaking out here. I'm thinking about calling the cops. I'm looking out here. There's some trees over there. Oh, let's see. We got this right here. Let's see if we can find. No. What was that? What was that? Nope. All right. Jeez. There's somewhere around here. There's somewhere around here.
We're desperate.
We're very hot, so we're doing everything we can to cool off.
We're even using this little tiny thing for air. It's very good. She was on her phone. Oh, I see you. Okay. And we're hot and we're miserable, but we're having fun. And there's my dad. He's playing Angry Birds. He will not let us play on his tablet because he's playing on it right now. And Devin found Bud. And now she's up out of bed.
Got it.
Oh God. What? Okay, gonna go to bed. Okay. There's Devin acting like a squirrel.
I'm just eating.
Claire.
I don't want anyone to see me and my mammies. Or I think I'm gonna stay in the car.